Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe if you're new and like the video. There's the aerial lift bridge. We are going slow, but we're going to go all the way to the end of the lighthouse, and we're going to that lighthouse too. So, yeah. So, shipping season at 6 p.m. tonight is when it opens. So, the first ship of the year will be the Joseph L. Block. So it will be heading to Two Harbors, Minnesota today. Today. Or this evening, whatever you want to call it. And it will be loading iron ore pellets. Next we have to Indiana Harbor. It will be coming to Two Harbors too. It will be following the Joseph L. Block tonight at 6 p.m. Then we have the Burns Harbor Superior, but it might go to Duluth too because it might fuel unless it already got fuel. So don't know if it will enter Superior or just go to fuel here in Duluth, Minnesota. Then shift over there. There's the hillside over there. There's the aerial lift bridge right here. Let's continue with our walk. I just want to thank I have a couple of shout outs to make. Number one, shout out to Mike, Vibe with Mike. Go check his channel out, it's really cool. And guys, I want to say another subscriber. But before we say another subscriber, please like this video and subscribe. Here's another guy that I want to thank. Thank you and shout out to Truck G, and thank you to Vibe with Mike. Those two are the best. So go check out Vibe with Mike. He has a cool channel. I really love his channel. He's a good YouTuber. And shout out to Paul Sanoka, I believe. That's his name also. He's a good YouTuber too. Lake Superior is all blue. This is the last good day before snow comes again. I do not like snow, but well, I do, but I don't like it at this time of year. I want it to be nice warm when the ships are moving. Not cold and snowy. I mean, for the winter, it can be here. But for spring, I think it should all go away. We're almost to the lighthouse. There's some snow on the ground. We'll be walking up here. The stairs. Here we go up the stairs to the South Pier Lighthouse here. So this lighthouse has a green light at night that keeps on. That lighthouse has a red light that has a flashing light at night. There's the area lift bridge. And over there, that is the John J. Boland. It is heading to Gary, Indiana. Here we go, we're going to walk back here. We are walking back now. We will be crossing over the Duluth Area Lift Bridge. I'm excited for this shipping season to start. So, as we talk about shipping season, the first ship was the American Spirit. It is 1,000-footer. Well, 1,004 feet. So it's 1,000-footer. It is owned and operated by the American Steamship Company. The John J. Boland that came in here is owned and operated by the American Steamship Company. So yeah, a little cool. Oh, very cool. Not a little cool. Stay tuned, you guys. the Arthur Manderson and the John G. Munson might go out this evening or tomorrow. One of the two. Or afternoon. Well, I walk over here, look at these waves. So before the area lift bridge today, it was a transfer bridge, which it was like going back and forth, like side to side, before this version of the lift bridge today, which I love. The Duluth area lift bridge like it is today. So that right there, that is the Duluth area lift bridge wheel that turns just like the ones up there. That's one of the wheels of the area lift bridge. We're heading over it right now. My prediction for the next trip out would have to be Arthur and Manderson. So I walk over the area lift bridge. I will kind of stop a little so I can show you the house where the lift bridge operator is. Here we go. Just got on the bridge. So right there is where the area lift bridge operator is. That's where the control panel and the cameras are, up there. We are in the middle of the canal. There's John J. Boland. That sound is when the cars drive over, that's the sound that the bridge makes. I'll see ya when I get over to the canal. We made it to the other side. This bridge right there. I'll be stay tuned. I'll be right back. Sorry about that, you guys. I had to talk to the Marine Museum workers. So let's continue down this way. We are going to head down to this lighthouse. So, the James R. Barker started its season already, so it will be coming soon. I'm so excited for that ship. It's because the famous Barker Spark. So I'm excited for that. And guys, I have something really exciting to tell you. So, here it is. I think it's June 28th is the Sulux Engineers Day. And that's when you get to go up close to the ships. And And so I might go there to see them up close and personal. So guys, you guys are gonna love it. It's actually really cool. Somebody lost a glove. There was a sock on the other end that somebody lost. Here I go up here. This lighthouse right here blinks red at night. There's the area lift bridge. We are heading down. Comment down below what your favorite Great Lakes ship is. Mine, I got 3. Paula Trutha, Masabi Minor, James R. Barker. I might have 4 actually. American Spirit. So 4. We are walking back. Shout out to Duluth Harbor Cam. Also, he's a great dude. I never met him, but I know he's great. Thank you, God. Thank you for putting the harbor cams up so we can watch the ships. I know he did it a long time ago, but thank you so much. There's a boat. I'm going to show you a tour of, well, thank you guys so much for watching the video today. Please subscribe if you're new and comment down below. And if you're subscribed, follow my YouTube channel for more. This is just the beginning of shipping season. More soon. Catch you guys later. Bye.